back to my channel. It's your girl T. We are in the kitchen today and we're making some salmon pasta. Super easy. If it's your first time here, I want to welcome you. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you'll see every time that I post. To all my Flav gangs, including the ones that want to bust my head because they're like, T, wait there. I'm here. I'm here. But let's get started. You're gonna love this one. Before we get started, I just want to tell you briefly what I have going on here. I got some fresh salmon. I just washed them, sliced them. I washed them with some lemon juice. And here I have my chopped onions. I have some spinach. I have some baby tomatoes that I sliced in half. And I have some sun-dried tomatoes because I love sun-dried tomatoes. But I don't like how chunky they are. So what I did was I kind of like diced them into smaller pieces. This is the sun-dried tomatoes that I use, California sun-dried. And let me show you what I mean when I tell you. See, they're like big chunks. And I'm like, not really a fan of it, so I just do it my way. I'm gonna be showing you other things that I'm gonna be using, the other ingredients as we go along. It's gonna be a super quick video. This is a very easy recipe. You don't need to be no type of chef to make this. It's very tasty, it's very delicious. It's actually one of my go-tos whenever the kids are bugging me for pasta. You can jazz this up with really anything. So if you're not a salmon lover, you can do shrimp, you can do chicken, however you want. I'll bring you different styles of how you can do it. The pasta is the same. If you're one of those persons who's gonna be like, I don't want all that extra stuff, because all this is gonna be going into the sauce that we're gonna make, because we're making the sauce from scratch. So if you're one of those persons, you're gonna be like, I don't want all that stuff in my pasta, do your thing. Eliminate it, that's fine. But like I said, we do it at T-Cook style, you know how I roll already. So I love all the extra stuff, especially the spinach, because it makes me feel a little bit healthier, because you know pasta is kind of like a not so healthy. So yeah. So let's get started, guys. I have, of course, you already know, my Spice Jamaica. This is the reggae blend. Ever since I've been introduced to the Spice Jamaica reggae blend and just the Spice Jamaica overall, the product, I've been obsessed. So majority of my cooking, this is what you're gonna see me use. I still use, you know, other seasons every now and then, but Spice Jamaica, it just have everything. It have everything, and you can find how to purchase this in my description box below. Gonna already know on me and the measuring thing already. I just eyeball everything, but I'll try my best. With salmon, I'm sure you're gonna hear me say this before, it has its own flavor, so there's not really much seasoning that's needed. So for these 4 small pieces, I'm probably using a tablespoon, so much. So I'm just going to lightly dust it on both sides of each piece of the salmon. Okay, that is really it. That is all you need. Alright, just wash off my hand really quick. Alright, lightly dust it. You don't really need a lot of seasoning on salmon. I know some people can't cook it up black pepper. Sprinkle a little. That is fine, but I'm perfectly fine with my reggae blend because it, like I said, it has everything in it. So now that the salmon is already seasoned, I'm gonna be using my brand new pot set from Caraway Home. I'm so excited. This is actually my first time using them. So we're gonna sear this salmon and make our pasta sauce. This dish is gonna make you wanna slap your mama. A joke, don't slap your mama. We're gonna be using the bow tie pasta, but I just flavored my water with some Spice Jamaica reggae blend. We're gonna go in with the bow tie pasta. allow the pasta to boil for about 6 to 8 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna head on over here. I'm adding some grapeseed oil. You can use the oil of your choice. I have the stove on medium heat, and then we're gonna just quickly sear the salmon. Oil is ready. I like my salmon well done, so you want to cook them to your liking, of course, but I like mine like well done, almost burnt. Right now we're going to be melting some butter. I'm about to make the pasta sauce. The tomatoes. I'm adding some of my Spice Jamaica reggae blend. One of the things with these pots, you definitely have to use a wooden spoon. My wooden spoon is, this wooden spoon, why do it time, brother? And last, right now I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. Now with this heavy whipping cream, you're gonna have to just take your time and build it. So what I do first is I build the flavor and then I go for the consistency and the thickness. I'm adding some paprika. I'm definitely gonna be using more some more heavy cream. All in total, we're gonna use about approximately a cup, because I want this pasta to be really nice, rich and creamy. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Remember, we're gonna be adding cheese, so you don't wanna go in with too much salt. And now I'm adding my spinach. And you'll see gradually that your sauce is going to start getting thick. And this time I'm gonna just give it a quick taste just to see what I feel like I'm missing. It already has so much flavor already. And of course, you know, that's because of the Spice Jamaica reggae blend. It's bursting with flavor, so everything is just coming together really nice. I'm gonna go in with a couple different cheeses. I'm adding some of the Mexican cheese, which is the Mexican style 4 cheese. Depends on how cheesy you want your pasta to be. That's totally up to you. This right here is the game changer. Don't know if you can see it properly, but it's the Boursin cheese. I'm using a half block of it. And I'll leave the description in the description box below everything that I use. That right there is a game changer for your pasta. Game changer. You hear me? Because this has all different types of herbs and garlic and all kind of bashment in it. It's really good. So you see how thick the sauce is coming? Ooh, I can't wait. So hungry. Adding a small bit amount again of paprika just because I love the color. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. And then right now, I'm gonna add in our cooked bow tie pasta. All you gotta do is take your time and give it some love. Look how beautiful this is. At this point, you can add in some more cheese if you want. But just like that, the pasta is done. I'm gonna add some parsley to give it some color. And that's it. Your pasta is done. We're gonna plate this, add some cheese on top, and that's it. Shredded cheese on top. There you go. Simple, simple, simple. Extremely, extremely yummy. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. As promised, it was very short, it was very sweet, and the recipe is super easy. I am extremely hungry, so I'm gonna taste this one for you guys because I'm dying. So good. so good. Mother, so I mustn't talk with food in my mouth. So this is the end of this video because I am hungry. I'm about to dig in, enjoy the fruits of my labor, and then go and work out right afterwards. But thank you again for watching. Remember to catch my vlogs. You're gonna go over to Tea Timeline. I'm about to go on vacation, so I'm gonna drop a vacation vlog over there. Tea Timeline, the link also will be in my description box below. So for those of you who are saying, where are the vlogs are on Tea Timeline, not on Tea Cooks. I'm just keeping this strictly food. So and catering. Anything food is gonna be here. Traveling is gonna be over on the other channel and just everyday stuff. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in my next video.